My name is Shehzad Munir and my Chinese name is Wang Zhou. My home country is Pakistan and I am long-term resident of Yunnan province from the past 7 years. My main research focus is working on different kinds of citrus diseases and their control with the use of the native endophytes.
Is this a citrus plant? What does it have to do to your research?
As far as citrus is concerned inside China, China is ranked among the top citrus producing countries in the world. In China, Yunnan province contributed a lot to the citrus industry. But apart from the different kind of citrus diseases, we also need to discuss about the different pathogens. On one side, we can get the benefit from the citrus, but the citrus diseases are also attacked by different kind of pathogens. So our group is working on the management of the citrus pathogen. So in our case, we are working on the citrus hornluming disease. In the world, this disease was first time reported in China in the year 1919. It was almost more than 100 years ago. So still, after 100 years, the disease is still spread to all the citrus growing region, not only in China, but all the world. In order to save the citrus industry, we should work on the citrus diseases to control this pathogen. Because the main problem with this pathogen is we cannot culture this pathogen inside the lab. So that's make the scientists very confused how to control this disease. Because if the pathogen cannot grow inside the lab, how we can control this disease? So our research group is the first one, not only in China, but in the world, to work on the endophytes from the citrus to control the citrus diseases. We went to 11 provinces in China in the time of 3 to 4 years and collected so many samples and isolated endophyte, and finally 3 to 4 years later we found some potential endophyte. Finally, after more than 5 years of work, we found one endophyte, Bacillus subtilis L1-21. That was the most potential to control the citrus hornluming disease. So currently we have this product related to the endophytes, which one we got from the citrus, healthy citrus, and now we are using not only in Yunnan but all the citrus growing region in the China. And we also got 2 national patents from the government. We just think that suppose we are not controlling this disease, so maybe in future we don't have any orange juice to drink.
Okay.
Yeah. It is very difficult. The farmer believe on the biological control because biological control is slow process, but farmer they don't want to wait for the result. They just want everything quickly. It was in the late 2016 and me, our professor Haiyuqiu and some other leader from Binchuan, we went to visit some citrus field that were almost 90% disease. So the farmers already decided that we will remove all the plants and they will grow some other crops here. So we just asked them they can give us 1 year time and we will use our endophyte and try to control this disease in this field. So finally the farmers agree to give us that field and we started our experiment on that field. The field almost consists of around 200 trees and the trees were very huge but the leaves were much yellow. So when we start spraying our endophytes inside the Binchuan field, we went to Binchuan every month to investigate what happened inside the leaves. So we bring samples to the lab and check the pathogen concentration. So initially when we checked the field, we found that the endophyte level was very low inside all the plants and the pathogen was very high when we investigate all the leaves inside the lab. So with the passage of time, when we use our endophyte spray on different plants inside the citrus field, and every month bring the sample and check. So slowly the endophyte go higher and the pathogen go lower. So after 1 year, we found that the pathogen level was no more inside the citrus. And we also found the leaves of all the citrus plants become much green. And some of the citrus plants, they start giving the fruits, which was that time very exciting finding for all of us. Not only for the lab, but for the farmers that are living in the Benchuan. So then slowly and gradually other farmers also try to contact us to use our endophyte in their field. So then we started like 4 or 5 different fields inside Benchuan and started our experiment and collected data slowly and gradually. And from Benchuan we spread our endophytes and our technology to other places like Guangxi and also inside the Yunnan province.
What does Yunnan attract you most?
This is very suitable place to do different kind of research activities, not only inside the lab, because like for Yunnan government, they provide so much opportunity, not only for Chinese but also for foreigners. They provide them good funding, good facilities, especially Yunnan Agriculture University. We have the Engineering Research Center. The other important thing is the teachers or professors, they are very friendly and cooperative. They always welcome the foreigner to do work here. When I come to the Yunnan province, it makes me more peaceful and exclusive, and it gives me feeling like coming home. As a researcher, hobbies, I think these are two different things for researcher. Like we spend most of our time inside the lab, but honestly speaking, I still have some hobbies apart from my job. I love to like cooking and try different kind of foods, enjoy hiking, photography. In my future plan, I would love to give benefit to the citrus farmers to control not only citrus fungal diseases and other diseases on the large scale in the citrus growing region inside Yunnan and also in the China.